Morning, everybody. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Snow falling outside. Good day to be out in the barn. Okay, so I just got this in the mail. It's my Max Air Fan. This says the Max Air Fan Deluxe, which I did not order because it's like another $120 more than just the normal Max Air Fan. The difference is it comes with a remote. So either I accidentally added the wrong one to cart, or they just accidentally sent me the wrong one. So I'll have to figure that out. I guess I'll figure that out as I open it up, if it comes with a remote or not. Man, one of the things that I just absolutely love about doing this van build is all the packages you get to open. It literally feels like Christmas every single time you get a new package, and I love that feeling. So, it's just like getting all jittery and stuff. Alright. Holy crap. Okay, this sucker is big. Wow. So, and we have hardware. Looks like no remote, so I guess they well, this says Max Air Deluxe. Here's all the brackets, wire nuts. You can see this is the little sleeve you put on in the inside. Nice clean finish. Alright, and then this is the fan. So it's like this little template that you put on the outside, and then clip your fan right into this. So yeah, and then so this is the one I ordered. It just comes with a little digital commands right here, so you just actually have to reach up and press these, which I mean, not a big problem. I kind of like that. I mean, yeah, less stuff to go wrong. So yeah, so today just come back over here. Last night I got the last little bit of roof insulation done over here in the cockpit. So that's all good and up there. And yeah, I used liquid nail. I'm not sure if that should be a use for liquid nail, but it's holding pretty dang good, because I saw some people using like 3M adhesive spray, and that just does not look, it just didn't seem very sturdy to me. So yeah, I went with this liquid nail stuff, and I think it's gonna hold up pretty good. I mean, it's in there pretty solid. So yeah, let's hope it is. All right, here we go. Always wear eye protection. I mean, I'm not wearing eye protection, but there we go. There's a eye protection. Yeah. Wear eye protection, please. I need to go get some. You can see right there. I don't know if you can't see that. There's like a little scab there. Oh, there. While I was drilling through the ceiling earlier, a little piece of metal whipped off and smacked me right there. And it should have really woken me up, because, you know, that could have blinded me. So, I mean, should have woken me up, and I should be wearing eye protection right now. I'm gonna go get some eye protection. Alright, so I stopped a little bit short. Went and got some safety glasses here, courtesy of Mom. There we go. Wow, I really cannot see anything with these suckers on. Okay, Ben's not seeing anything at all, I guess. There we go. Wow, there it is. Okay. Wow, that's scary. All right. I'm gonna go check it out. Okay. Yeah, just about an 1/8 of an inch short on this side. It looks like 1/8 of an inch short on this side. So.
I get misty just holding your hand. Watch my
So here, got my fan. And the electrical stuff that should just snap right into place, like so. Looks pretty good. Let's go check it out down below. You can see my awesome parkour moves here. I rip out a few pull-ups, you know. Okay, that's about that. All right. So here's how it looks down below, and hopefully, there she opens up. Looks good. There. So this way, I can be driving, and this little fan is kind of aerodynamic. Also, if it's raining, I can use the fan because it blows out or sucks air in through at an angle instead of, you know, just a typical fan that opens up like this. Then you're getting rainwater and such in there. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. All right, so as you can see, I did get the ceiling fan installed. So here, let me show you what I did about the little bumps. So that just pulls off like that for now. And then, try to get out of the way here. So the problem I was having is with these bumps, I wasn't able to lay this flush against the middle of the roof. So I actually just cut those little ribs out, cut like a little square out right here, right there, you know, each of the 4 little ribs. And so, I mean, you can see inside the van right there. So, I mean, that's not perfect, of course, but I'd rather have it sit flush. You know, I have some double-sided 3M tape that I'm gonna put on the bottom of that and then seal it really good.